Hi, I am Froilan Diaz, and in this video, I'm going to show you on how to play Scrabble.
In Scrabble, players earn points by constructing words with letter tiles and place them on the grid. Each letter has a different point value. There are 100 letter tiles and only one letter tile can fit in a grid space. You'll need 2 to 4 players, a bag of Scrabble tiles, a Scrabble board, and a pen and paper. Step 1. Have each player remove one tile out of the tile bag. The player who gets the letter closest to letter A goes first. Each player then draws 7 tiles out of the tile bag. The first player begins the game by placing a word on the star square, either horizontally or vertically. The star acts as the double word score. Step 2. Tally each score by adding point values for each letter in the word. Point value range from 0 point from blank tile and 10 points for the letters Q and Z. Use a paper and a pen to keep track on the word scores for each player. Some squares on the board allow you to multiply the tile's value by 2 or 3. Step 3. Continue playing on a counterclockwise direction around the board. During each turn, a player can decide to play a word on the board, exchange tiles, or pass. If a player decides to exchange tiles, they can replace any number of their tiles with an equivalent number from the tile bag. Step 4. After placing a word on board, draw unequal numbers of new tiles from the bag so that each player always have 7 tiles. Step 5. All letters played must touch at least one letter that is already on the board to form at least one complete word. When one player has used all of their tiles or no one can make any more words, the game ends. If a player uses all 7 of their tiles in one turn, they get a 50-point bonus to their word score. Step 6. Consult a dictionary only if you're challenging another player's word. If the word isn't in the dictionary, the player loses their turn. But if the word is allowed, the challenger loses their turn. Step 7. Calculate each player's final score by adding up the points of all of their word scores. Then, subtract the sum of their unplayed letters. If one player has used up all of their letters, add the sum of everyone else's unplayed letters to their score. The player with the highest score wins.